Hey guys, Duncan here. I wanted to make this short video to show off my latest project, a custom bed that I built for myself. And so I'm going to show you, kind of walk you through what I made, how I made it, why I made it, and hopefully you like it. Okay, so here is the bed, and the style of bed is a floating platform. So as you can see, it appears to be floating several inches above the ground. If you actually get down, way down, and look underneath, you can see that it is in fact supported by a frame, but it kind of deceives the eye a little bit. Now, this is made out of walnut, American walnut, which I really like because, as you can see, depending on how the light hits it, it has almost a kind of a golden shimmer to it at times. It's a beautiful wood. Really enjoy working with it. I've done a couple projects with walnut now. It's quickly becoming one of my favorites. So, the bed itself sits on this floating platform. The headboard is a separate unit that I designed to be low, squared off, very modernist. I've incorporated an additional material of well, fake concrete in this case. The headboard also features this small shelf with my personal logo inlaid in it. So I trenched this out with a laser engraver, and then I filled it with epoxy. Underneath the shelf I have some lighting, which I will show you in a moment. Also in the platform portion of the bed I have electrical outlets and USB outlets, so no more having to run cords halfway across the room to charge my phone at night. Okay, and kind of the last feature that I wanted to show you about the headboard is I also incorporated these hidden drawers. So that's where I keep my journal, my various charging cords, whatever books that I'm currently reading but not actually currently reading, but I might start reading again, that sort of thing. And then boom, disappears. And then of course on the other side, same thing. And so as you can see, these drawers actually extend, almost halfway under the bed. So there's quite a bit of storage room in each one. And I used ball bearing drawer slides and IKEA push to open hardware to accomplish this hidden, invisible attribute to the drawers. Now, for the last thing I want to show you is one of the things that me and LJ have been working on is smart home stuff. So I had to incorporate some of that in the bed. Okay, Google, turn on platform.
You got it. Turning the platform on.
So as you can see, I have LEDs running underneath the floating platform, which adds to that illusion of hovering above the ground. I also incorporated them into the headboard itself to provide some lighting on the concrete. Okay, Google, turn on reading light.
You got it. Turning on the reading light.
I've got a little lighting underneath the shelf to shine down on my little art display and to read by at night. Okay, Google, turn on light box.
Sure, turning the light box on.
And I've got this little piece of accent lighting that serves a similar function to the reading light on the other side. As you can see, this is all voice controlled through Google Home and Alexa, and I can change all the colors to anything I want. Okay, Google, change bedroom to teal.
Okay, changing 3 lights to teal.
So, as you can see, everything went teal. Okay, Google, change reading light to purple.
You got it. Changing the reading light to purple.
Okay, Google, change light box to white.
You got it. Changing the light box to white.
There you have it. Okay, Google, make bedroom lights white.
You got it. Changing 3 lights to white.
And so I can also operate all these lights from anywhere in the world through an app on my phone. I can do it through Alexa in my living room. I can set them up on schedules. For example, the floating platform and the headboard light currently come on at 5 o'clock in the morning along with my alarm to help me wake up and start the day. So this is it. This is my custom smart LED floating platform modernist bed.